everybody, this is Tiziano from the Autopilot booth, and I'm here with Nick Nuno of AionRobotics. And I'm not even asking you what you guys doing because it's right in front of me. So Nick, what is it that I'm looking at?
So this is our new model M6 UGV. It's a modular platform designed for everything from research and development to agriculture applications. We're very excited about it. So we have a smaller R series platform that's kind of more geared towards research and development, proof of concept type stuff. So it doesn't quite have the payloads. This one has 100 foot-pounds of torque. It's just kind of obscene amount of power where we can put it out in the weather, completely weatherproof.
Now I hope that this laser scanner is eye safe.
Yeah, yes.
Otherwise I'm doomed.
So this is actually Slamtech's new A3 LiDAR sensor. So it's a 2D 360-degree sensor. It has completely wireless power and data communication for the sensor. So a lot of the issues that we used to have with slip rings are not a problem with this LiDAR.
Now, I totally love this integration of the here GPS. So being here, of course, means that you have a Pixoc 2.1 inside.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, the cube and ArduPilot as the software.
Yeah, of course, otherwise we wouldn't be here at the Autopilot booth. But, so what's under the hood of this robot? I mean, this doesn't look like, a robot made for the lab experiments. It looks like off-road.
Yeah, so it's very rugged, designed for work. So a lot of platforms are designed more for research and development, proof of concept, that doesn't necessarily scale to real-world work environment. They have overheating problems, just control problems are not, the control isn't where it needs to be. This is designed from the ground up to work.
And this has 6-wheel drive?
Yep, 6-wheel drive, six
motors.
Direct drive motors. Like I said, 100 foot-pounds of torque.
Now, who's the final customer for that? I mean, besides you enjoying it in the backyard in your garage, this looks like a very integrated platform. So who's gonna use it?
Everybody from big government contractors to end users, specific end users. So in agriculture, any type of material transport or application. So as far as seeding, spreading, sensor deployments.
How easy is for someone that would step in this in robotics for the first time would be to put his hands on something like that?
So that's the beauty of ArduPilot is the basic waypoint-based planning. You don't need to write a line of code. It's all based off of positional command activations through ground control station. The platform is modular and so is the software. ArduPilot supports everything from rover to copters, submarines. It's all familiar, so once you learn it on something that's a little bit forgiving, if you make a mistake on a ground vehicle, it doesn't cost you thousands of dollars.
Oh yeah,
copter.
That really is something. I mean, don't tell me about that. It's very unlikely that you have a bug or a problem on the autopilot that makes your system crash. But back when I started and when I programmed the autopilot by myself, then most of the time, sometimes we had crash. I'm sorry, Marco, but due to me when I used to implement low-level code. Today, thanks to the fact that you have this black box that takes care of all the navigation and all the low-level control, you kind of like build your layer on top of it.
Yes, exactly. So it's kind of a common misconception because ArduPilot is open source that you can't protect your IP, and that couldn't be further from the truth. You actually use ArduPilot as a tool, kind of like a low-level, like as in Linux, and then you develop all your IP on a companion computer.
Yeah, this is so powerful. This is so powerful. I like it. I like it a lot. So something like that. This is it is 60 pounds, all-terrain. The battery will last for a few
up
hours.
to 8 hours. We could put 4 kilowatts worth of battery in.
8 hours?
8 hours is actually kind of a minimally viable target for,
Wow,
for a
this
ground
is
vehicle.
plenty of fun for getting to play with this. And your this kit, this is a kit, comes
Yes.
comes complete with the laser lidar.
Complete turnkey package.
Wow. Do you have any support for external payload, or can someone plug their stuff on top of it?
Yeah, so the use cases are so varied that we basically deliver as a modular platform, and then we could build custom on top of it. So there's expansion decks.
Oh, okay. And where are you based?
Denver, Colorado.
From the order to the delivery of something like that, it would take how long that would take?
Roughly 3 to 4 weeks.
Can I find all the information about this robot on the website?
So this is actually brand new.
This is brand new.
So we're still working on the marketing materials, but it'll be done in a few weeks.
In a few weeks. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.